hear this network timeout in Raiders game with a message retrieving data from backend services timed out. Please try again later. Now make sure to follow these instructions very carefully and I'll guide you on what to do. Now the reason you see this error, it's not you. The issue is on the end. Their online services are currently experiencing a problem which usually happens when the Raiders servers are down. If you go to the Raiders subreddit forum, you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same problem. So it's not just you. This occurs when their servers are down, as their online services are currently experiencing a problem. As you know, the game has experienced a significant number of players, nearly peaking up to more than 300,000. Now, this can cause server issues. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. Try to restart your device in the router, then relaunch the game again. But to let you know, it's not you. The issue is on their end. Their online services are currently experiencing a problem, which usually happens when the Raiders servers are down. That's why you can see lots of people complaining regarding the same problem. But if you wait for a few hours, the issue will likely resolve by itself.